Hi guys, I'm going to try to do this quick. It's so hard trying to do everything in 3 minutes. Okay, so in the beginning there was divine feminine and divine masculine, which is Adam and Eve, right? So we understand that. So Adam is the consciousness, which is the consciousness, and Eve is the subconscious. So when Eve fell, we know that the subconscious fell. Now Adam was connected to the tree of life. The tree of life is the nervous system. Eve went into the tree of knowledge. So from that point, we know that something happened with the consciousness because the subconscious got deactivated, and we can probably say something like maybe mind control through religion, perhaps. We don't know. Okay, so then what happens is when Eve fell, she had to go through the directions of God. She had to go and resurrect her consciousness. So therefore, when she left the tree of life, right, which is the nervous system, which basically got hijacked by mind control, she had to go into the woods. So when she went into the woods, she had to resurrect the consciousness, which is the story of Virgin Mary. That's the Virgin Mary has to resurrect her consciousness, which is baby Jesus. So when she goes out there, that's how she resurrects Jesus. So the question goes, what happened to the consciousness? Now, to understand what happened to the consciousness, we have to understand the story of Osiris and Isis. Osiris and Isis is a story in Egypt where there were harmony, divine feminine, divine masculine. So what happened was divine masculine got chopped up in a couple of pieces and lost order by his brother Set. Set is a god of chaos. We can look at chaos as shadow. So in essence, by decoding that story, we could say that the consciousness got fragmented by the chaos of the shadow. The shadow is a chaos of the holographic universe. We do not check ourselves. We do not analyze ourselves. We do not come one with us. We do not analyze ourselves with our higher self. So what happened was Isis, which is his divine feminine, had to find the different pieces of the body chopped up, and then she was able to resurrect Osiris. So there we can see that the stories are kind of reflecting each other. It's a story of the subconscious and the conscious. The conscious gets fragmented by the shadow, which is the ego, and therefore to really do some soul reflection, we have to go into to our subconscious, connect with our higher self or God or a higher wisdom, and then therefore resurrect and clean the shadows, so therefore there can be Christ consciousness. I hope that makes sense. And I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.